Let me show you how to build Zandvoort using 4-lane Carrera digital track coming up next. Hello everybody, my name is Trevor Selescu and welcome to another episode of Track Building, where I'm going to show you how to build Zandvoort in the Netherlands using 4-lane Carrera digital slot car track. So let's go to that ever famous, ever popular Monster Hobbies time-lapse photography and see how I build this thing. Here we are down in Zandvoort in the Netherlands. Now this is a shortened version of this track. I'll just show you here in our sketch before we begin. You see here we have the track, and these gray areas are different channels and checkpoints on the track. Now normally we follow the black line around, but I don't have enough room in my building for this section here. So I've actually shortened it there. So we're doing the shorter track of this. So let's begin. And what I've done is I've put this will be our reference point. I have the hairpin curve coming here. And this is 180 degrees, and as you can tell, it touches 3 corners of the edge of the first table. And of course our tables here are in the typical 8 by 16 arrangement. So that's 4 4x8s put into a rectangle. And I have our 2 2x4s in a strip at the back there, as well as our little case over there. So we've got that as our corner end piece. And here's our start finish gate. So this will come in your set if you buy a digital set. And it will come with one of these controller sets. So if you want to do 6-lane racing, you will need 2 more of these, which will give you one of these. And you will need a tower, which will also give you one of these. This is a track input, power input switch, or a lane, not a switch. And then I have this extension added here to do the 4 lanes. And the parts should be in the description coming up sometime. Anyway, so from the start finish gate, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full straights. Then we have 2 1/4 sections here and 1 here. And then we have the hairpin curve set and 6 2-30 track pieces going around, and then another 1/4 section, because the hairpin is actually using an extra quarter right here just to come out of the pinch of the curve. And then here I have the center switching with a force cross, which is in expansion set number 3, and then you've got 2 single straights, which you'll have to buy separately. And then over here, just zoom in, we have, heading off the table, a 1-30 and a 2-30 right behind it. And then right here, going back into the table, we have a 1-60 and 2 2-30s, followed by 2 crosses, which again is expansion set number 3. And then right over here we have a 180 degree curve, which goes in toward the start finish gate and then curves right back out toward us here, going off the table again. And that would consist of 3 1-60s and 6 2-30s. And then right here I've put in some chicanes, which are from expansion set number 3. And you'll need 2 expansion set number 3s. And then here we have a wider curve. And this again is a 180 degree curve using 6 2-30s and 6 3-30s, so it's a bigger curve. And then right here I have a single straight, and I have a curved switch, and this is left hand going from, I guess it's out to in. And here we have a left hand switch. Okay, so now we've got a 90 degree curve, which includes that out to in, plus a 1-30, and then 3 2-30s on the outside. And then right here we have another 180 degree curve, so 3 1-60s and 6 2-30s. Ended up with a customer there, so I had to stop filming, but at least I put the camera down right in the right location to continue. So I just said that we had a 180 degree curve using 3 1-60s and 6 2-30s, which brings us now to a single straight here and a right hand inner to outer curve. I forget what these are called. A 1-60 and a 1-30. And then I've got 1 2 3 4 5 2-30s, so that would be 66 120, a 150 degree curve. 2 straights, a right hand switch here, 2 what are these, 1/3 sections, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 4-15s and 3 1-30s, sorry, 3-30s, and then 1 2 3 4 straights. And underneath this one I have the wires to add extra power. So one wire is in this lane and it goes to this lane, another one is in this lane, goes to that lane, then one here going to there, one there going to there, just to add additional track boost to the inner track. That's what that is. And then 2 straights here, so 1 2 3 4 straights right there. Then here I've added in another left hand switch, right hand switch, whatever, and a double crossing. If you want, you could put 2 crossings in here. This is just to give people some extra room to change lanes. And then I have our power track and a single straight. So that gives you this very wonderful, very Dutch track. Well, I hope you enjoyed that track build, and if you would like to make a contribution to our channel in order to help keep us going, please check out my YouTube homepage and look in the banner up top. You will see a little PayPal button there. Just click on that and make a contribution. And if you would like to see us erase this track, well, unfortunately I don't have the Dutch flag, but I do have the Canadian flag, so just click on there and you will see us erase it later on. And you can check out these other 2 great track builds, and don't forget to like and subscribe to us right down here and click the notification bell so you can find out when a video comes. And until next time, happy racing!